Hello and welcome to this new video. So today we'll be playing a video through a QR code. Why? Because why the heck not? So let's set some rules first. We'll have two rules. The first rule is we can use only pure QR codes, no links allowed. All the data that we will use must be in the QR codes. The second rule is that there is no hygiene for me because I'm a stinky programmer. So when we have rules set, we can get into some programming. So after doing a very efficient coding and researching session,
OK, má tady i basic appku s OpenStreetMap mapou. A když klikneme nějaký bod, tak nám to spavnuje pop-up, kde je vlastně kód k tomu hajzlu a ještě nějaké informace o tom. Super.
So after some time, I made a simple program to extract the initial frames into separate PNGs. So if the program works correctly, all the files should appear in this folder right here. So I ran it and, surprisingly to me, it worked on the first try. So we have the frames extracted, but now we need to convert it into the QR codes. However, the problem with QR codes is their limited capacity. Because even the biggest version 4D QR code has only 3 kilobytes of free memory. However, that doesn't mean I blame the creators of the QR code. Because QR codes were invented in 1994 and clearly weren't intended for big data transfer like video. Anyways, enough information to overload your brain, and let's get back to the video. So after debugging for like 2 hours just because I didn't convert the PNG into a JPEG, okay, what's the problem again? So the only thing that I was saying during these 2 hours of debugging was a simple what? So after fixing that one, I ran into yet another issue. 4 different approaches until it... Oh fuck, what just happened? It was... No. It turned out to be that just the JPEGs are too big. Like, it's 3 kilobytes, so like, what do you expect? But that means more JPEG compression. La 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 ba, chicken, Steve's loud chicken is tasty as hell. I'm the best singer of the world. After his musical creation of mine, you could see that the creation and reading of the QR codes actually worked. Now when we have these QR codes read, we need to assemble them back. Because what I didn't told you is that the frames are divided into 56 segments, and now we need to make these segments go back in together. Which has turned out to be the most painful part of the whole project. But after some time I realized that the JPEG compression made some really interesting things, especially really bad photo quality. This made me kind of regret what am I even making here. But at this point nothing could stop me from getting my goal. I just wanted to be the first one to run a video through a QR code.
1 hour later.
Now it's slicing the frames. My god.
1 hour later.
Wait, stop the video. You see these QR codes in the folder. Well, frames and frames underscore backup should be the same. However, frames are now getting filled with QR codes because of my faulty code. So after another few tries of trying to render the frames back, it worked like a charm and actually rendered all the frames correctly. So now there was nothing stopping me from rendering the video from the frames that went through QR codes. Also, I made some changes to the code and I have no idea what I changed, but the whole process was like 10 times faster now. Now let's get back to the main point. If you look at the clip, you may see already that the video is rendered fully from all the frames that went through the QR codes. So let's see the result. One recommendation though, prepare for a total eye bleach because it won't really be pretty. I hope you had a good time. Thank you for watching the video until the very end. It means a lot to me and have a nice day.